After having done all the festive advent calendars, I always like to have a little something after Advent, leading into the new year. So what we did is I was able to secure the tonymoly Advent calendar. It's 7 days, so we're using it as an after Advent calendar. Let's see what we got for our $20. We got a blackberry hand cream. And I checked the ingredients. This does have shea butter in it. A lot of tonymoly hand creams only have mineral oil. Shea butter is better for moisturizing unless you're allergic to latex. And as near as we can tell, this is a $6 value. And this calendar was done in conjunction with Squishmallows. So this is Emily. Oh, she's a vet. How cute. This is a cherry bomb lip gloss. It says Cristo lip gloss. I think that's the character. And from what I hear via the grapevine, cherry bomb packs not a walloping punch, but there is a little tingle to this jingle. And it's done with a keychain style, so you could loop it onto your keys or your backpack, your handbag, whatever. These are some Flemish patches. The character is Cam. I've heard that these are good for mosquito bites. I've not got a great use for these, so these will probably get shared along the way, but it's cute. This is said to be a keychain. I don't really see a way to attach anything to it, and it does not tell us who the character is. Maybe some of our Squishmallow aficionados out there can fill us in on who this might be. It's cute. It's adorable. I'm going to hang it on the tree. This is another Cam item. It's a headband to wear while you do your skincare. I think it's cute. Yeah. Let's show everybody the whole thing. Decent size. And I'm going to say good elastic. Help me out here, Fatima. Decent stretch, but it doesn't feel like it's going to fall apart after one use. So let's get this critter. That is what it looks like. I think this is cute. Everybody, I want you to meet Sid. Sid has snail serum. And if you had told me back in 2021 when I started YouTube that I would like to put snail serum on my face, I would have said you are out of your ever-loving mind. But I like it. And on the back, it tells us about Sid. I thought that was neat for those that do scrapbooking, that I don't know if you can save, well, I guess you could cut out the front, but you can easily cut out that back section when you're done with the face mask. It tells us that Sid is got collection number 461. His squish date is 5/18/2020, and he even has a bio. Meet Sid. He adds chocolate milk to his marshmallow cereal and hot sauce to his omelets. Sid listens to opera and entertains himself. Oh, he listens to opera to entertain himself and make the time go by faster while sitting in traffic. Too stinking cute. Everybody, meet Malcolm. He is a soothing mask with calendula. Yes, calendula and chamomile. And it has a little thing on the back that says that his collector number is 684. His squish date was 11/19/2020. And his bio says, have you ever met a soccer playing mushroom? That's Sid. We got our calendar through the Shop app, and they were having a promotion not only on the price, but you got 2 free masks. Yeah. So we have I'm Red Wine Pore Tightening Mask and I'm Honey Deep Moisture Rescue Mask. Oh, that's exciting. Extra items. This is turning out to be a fun one. What do you think? Did you see something that you liked? Did you get this calendar? What do you know about Squishmallows that we don't? So taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty on our Squishmallows here with Tony Moly, 7-day calendar, $35 value. The full price was $25. We got it for $20. We have seen it on clearance on the Tony Moly website for $18 and change. I don't know if it is still there. So we were looking for a value of around $3 a day. And I would say we made it because the masks are $3 each. The headband is $12. The blemish patches are $2. And I think the lip balm and the hand cream were around $10. So they met their value that they said of $35. They easily met that. Plus the 2 free items. That was an extra bonus. Yes, it definitely was. And another interesting thing, they turned this into a little bit of a mystery box because the hand cream, there is 1 of 5. So don't think that you're going to get the same that we got if you should pick this up, if there's still any left. There's a variety. Yeah. And the keychain lip gloss was 1 of 2, and the ornament was 1 of 2. How neat is that? What do you think? Did you see something that you like? Let us know, let us know. Thanks for watching our After Advent with an Advent calendar. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, share with your friends, all that fun stuff, and we hope to see you heading into the new year because we've got some new boxes that will be added eventually, and we need to finish up a couple old subscriptions, and we got some fun stuff planned, plus our usual series on masks and things like that. Lots of fun. Come join us. See you there.